Migrating QuickBooks Desktop to QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process that helps move your financial data to the cloud for easier access and collaboration. Here's how to do it. Prepare your data. Update QuickBooks Desktop. Ensure you're using the latest version of QuickBooks Desktop. Check file size. Your company file must be smaller than 750,000 targets. If it's too large, you may need to condense the file. Create a backup. Before migration, create a backup of your QuickBooks Desktop file. Go to File, Backup Company, create local backup. Sign up for QuickBooks Online. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, sign up for one. Export your data. In QuickBooks Desktop, log into the company file you want to migrate. Go to Company, export company file to QuickBooks Online. Follow the prompts to sign into QuickBooks Online and select Yes, Move My Data. Review your data. Once the migration is complete, review the data in QuickBooks Online. Some custom reports or fields may not transfer exactly. Complete setup. After migration, set up any additional features in QuickBooks Online, such as bank connections or custom settings.